Hello, everybody, and welcome to another English lesson here on YouTube. I'm Raven for New Jersey English Academy, and today we're going to be talking about a very common question among English language learners, which is what's the difference between either and neither? And there are some differences in how we would use that in different situations. So we're going to see a couple quick examples on this study chart, and hopefully it'll clear up all questions we have. Neither and either are used to agree with negative statements said by person A. So we have this section right here. And now your response would be in blue. And we have the formula for blue. Neither plus auxiliary plus subject. Neither, auxiliary am, subject I. So this is the response part. And now one other note here, the auxiliary verb needs to agree with the verb tense in the original statement. So that is why you'll notice looking at this study chart, that's why you'll notice, let me make that bigger, that we have I am not hungry, neither am I. We have am, the same auxiliary, the same form of be. It's staying the same. You aren't trying. Neither are you. Are. So that should help you. That should be something you can make that observation. I don't need help. Neither do I. So do is in each sentence. In this case, it's does not. In this sentence, it's does. So look, we have that negative statement. Not, am not hungry. Neither am I. Now, that pattern is going to go on for all of the remaining ones underneath here. Look at these bottom ones. He hadn't finished. Neither had I. Okay, so it's agreeing with a negative statement said by person A. So you can review those, but you'll see that all of these, the pattern stays the same. I shouldn't worry. Neither should I. Now, you can also use either instead and say, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry either. You aren't trying. You aren't trying either. And notice on this study chart that they have these in parentheses, and it's optional. You don't have to say that. I'm not hungry. I'm not either. So you see, it's not necessary to repeat it only because we know what we're talking about. We're talking about person A is talking about being hungry or not being hungry. So that's why it's not worth mentioning. I'm not going to say it's not worth. It's not necessary. You can, and it's no big deal. I wasn't bored. I wasn't bored either. And one more for you. I can't swim. I can't either. All right. We are just about going to wrap up. This will be a nice short one, a short little video for you. But let's look on the bottom. There's some notes here just in case you're curious about these. Sometimes you'll see or hear nor plus auxiliary plus subject. So a slightly different formula in this case. So you could say, it's a little old fashioned, but sometimes people will say it. So person A would say, I wasn't ready. Person B would say, nor was I. And it would mean the same thing as neither was I. So that is that one section there. And right here, whoops, let me bring this down. It says, I'm not hungry too. So 2 is for positive. We did talk about that, I believe, in another previous video, 2, 2, and 2. So you wouldn't say, I'm not hungry too, because 2 is for positive. So all because we have not right there. That's why we can't use 2 in this case. So you would never say, I'm not hungry too. if it was positive, you could say, if somebody said, I'm hungry, and you could say, I am too. See, it's a positive sentence. So in that case, you can. So remember that. It's a small detail. So, but in the final one is you would just say, I'm not hungry either. Okay. So that's the one other thing to look at. I'm going to post this study chart on the Facebook page. So if you're interested, you can go get that there. This is also available on Google. So it's just a very fine study chart that I like to use sometimes with my students. So that is going to wrap things up for this video. So thank you. Please subscribe, please like, please share. We're trying to grow this. We're going to try to grow this channel as big as possible, and contact me, leave questions, comments, message me. I'm here to answer all of your questions for anything grammar related, writing related, and I do have private Zoom classes available now. So you can contact me. You can contact me through either here on YouTube or on Facebook. But get in touch with me if you're interested in Zoom classes. All right. For you or someone you know, take care. All right. For New Jersey English Academy, I'm Raven signing off. God bless.